Alright, so today we're going to be changing a PCV valve on this Honda Accord. This is a 2004 Honda Accord with a K24 engine, and the piece we're going to be changing is this right here, PCV valve. This is something that I would change, especially if you see that you're kind of like burning oil, because that valve there, what it does is it takes any like oil from the crank and brings it back up so that the engine will burn it in the cycles. So this is the piece right here. This is how it looks. It has a little washer in there somewhere. Oh well, wait, this is the part piece in case you want to get one. And there's a little washer in there. This is how it looks. Basically the hose goes right here, and you need a 17 to be able to unscrew it. And it's that simple. You just, like I said, you remove the clip. I don't know if you can see that. You remove the clip. Once you remove the clip, you take the 17 on the bolt and take it out. We're gonna do that now. All right, so the first thing I did was I removed these little two bolts so I could take this cover off, because like that I could show you where this hose, where it's connected to, which is actually connected to the intake. So let me just take this off real quick. And this is where it's connected right here. Which after I take it out, I'm also going to take out the hose to see if maybe there's oil in there. You know, maybe there might be a little bit of trap oil going in, but I'm going to take that off. So get yourself some needle nose pliers, small, big, to remove the clip. And once you take it off, open it up, you pull it. This one is really old. Alright, so I'm gonna try to take this off like this. Gotta pull it a little. This one is like really rusted on there, so that means that this one was probably never changed. So once you take it off like this, now we're gonna pull the tube off. And once we take the tube off, we're gonna work with getting a 17 on there. But let me see if I got something to pull this hose off with, because that looks like it's really on there. Alright, so after checking it out, it's not really that bad. Okay, I just took it off, but there's the PCV valve. That's it, it's that simple. Now we just take it out from here with our 17, which I have right here. So you also need a deep socket, because it has to go over this whole thing, so make sure it's a deep socket. And that's it. We're gonna try to take it out now. I'll be back as soon as I can do this. I need my two hands. Alright, so I cracked it with the ratchet, and now I could easily do it with my fingers. You might get a little bit of oil coming out from here, not much, maybe a little, if there's oil being observed. Another thing is that when you get this out, wow, that looks crusty. Another thing is, once you get this out, you should be able to hear the ball inside, which technically I don't hear any, the same way as the new one. The new one, you will be able to hear it. It's good if you hear the little ball. I don't know if you could hear that, but it has to be like that. Alright, so this is the new one. Nice and clean. It brings a little washer. Make sure you have this washer. It's very important to have this on. Hold on, let me see if I can do this with one hand. Got it. And again, you do everything backwards now. You just screw this back on as tight as you can, then hit it with the wrench to tighten it up. And once you tighten it up, you just put the hose back on here and put the little clip on, and you'll be done. Let me just do this with this. I need my other hand, so I'll be right back. Okay, I don't really know the torque spec. I think it's like 16, but it's on there tight. Okay, and then you bring back the hose, you put it right in there like this, and then just move the clip over it. Where's my needle nose? Take the needle nose and put the clip right back where it was at to hold it in its position. Once you do this, it's all done. You're all done. And that's how you change a PCV valve on a K24. Now all we gotta do is put back this cover right here. Once I put this back on, you just put the two little screws, 1, 2, and you're done. Oh, make sure, of course, this is on that line right there. I guess that's why that little piece is there, you know, so that it go on in and put it on straight. And once these go in, oh wait, I got one there, one here. I gotta put this piece a little. Let's tap it in position and put the two things there, and you're done.